So this remedy will help to tighten those loose muscles and help to get rid of unwanted fat around those regions. Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. So today's video I'll be sharing with you guys this remedy that will help you so much to tighten up a flabby arms. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. If you are not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. The remedy is very natural, very simple. I'll be making use of Vaseline, yes, with other important ingredients that will help to ensure you lose those unwanted fat and help to tighten up all those flabby arms of yours. So if you want to know how to use this remedy, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and share this video to everyone. So let's go ahead and make this simple remedy for you that will work very well. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Vaseline to firm up a saggy skin, to get rid of those flabby arms. So the first ingredient you have to use is cucumber. Cucumber helps to keep your skin firm. It contains elastin, which is responsible for a youthful appearance, prevents saggy skin. So we are going to use just a small amount before grating it. So next we have here is rice powder. You can make use of cooked rice. You just have to mash it, turn it into a paste. So rice here will help to rejuvenate your skin. It firms and leaves a saggy skin, highly exfoliating. It helps to get rid of scars and firm up any saggy skin. So before we add other ingredients, you have to get your rice powder. You will need 2 tablespoons of rice powder, and you have to add 1 tablespoon of cucumber, grated cucumber. After that, you go ahead and mix it just like this. So the next one we have here is egg. Make use of egg whites, okay? And egg white has the ability to firm a saggy skin when combined with 1 or 2 other great ingredients like, other powerful tighteners. So this will help to firm your skin and get rid of those flabby arms, okay? It will tone it and make it very stronger. So I'll just separate the egg white from the egg yolk. After separating it, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of egg whites. It's time to add the most active ingredient here, which is this. These 3 ingredients are very powerful and they are very natural. So we need this to make it very, very active. Okay? And here we have Aboniki balm. Here is a hot balm. You can make use of any hot balm you have. You can make use of vapor rub and the rest. So I'll just add just a small amount of this because it's really active. This is very, very hot. If you have a sensitive skin, I will advise you test it somewhere else before using this. I will just scoop out just a little amount of it. So this is only on your body, like your arms, your laps, your thighs, and the rest, even your tummy. So I'll go ahead right now and show you how to do so, how to apply it for best results. So here we are. This, I've never tried it on my arms because I don't have a fat arms, but I've made use of it on my thighs and it really helps so well. You know, those inner thighs. I used to have a rubbing thighs, like I'm not fat, but I used to have a rubbing thighs, you know, all those thighs are joined together, and I hated it so much. So I made use of this remedy and it helps so well. So you can try it on your arms and I believe it's going to help so well. This has tightening effect as well. In case you have saggy skin, it's going to help to tighten up those loose muscles and make you, and make them firm again and look very, very young. So right now I'll be showing you how you can apply this mixture around your arms. So remember that this is very hot. In case you have a sensitive skin, if you have a sensitive skin, you just have to try it out somewhere around your body. So I'll just take a little amount of this, just a little amount, just apply it around your arms. It's really hot, okay, but it's okay. It will not harm you in any way. It works effectively. Just do not apply it on your breast, do not apply it on your face, all those sensitive areas. So I'm just applying a small amount just to demonstrate on how to use this remedy. So after applying it this way, if you have a plastic wrap or a bandage, not a bandage, like something that you can use to tie it, to keep it in place. Because of the other active ingredients here, rice flour and egg whites is really drying. It will enable the ingredients to dry and you may not need a plastic wrap. What I do is, after applying it on my thighs, then I'll just leave it like that to dry. You'll be feeling the sensation, the hotness. Apply it anywhere you have those fats, saggy fats, like belly fat, thigh fat, and arms fats. Apply it like this and leave it to dry. When it gets dry, you just have to go ahead and use the next ingredient. Alright, so after rinsing it off and everything is gone, use soap to wash it off, okay? Then go ahead and apply your Vaseline. This is very, very important, okay? This is going to keep those areas where firm, like keep it where supple, younger looking. It's going to help to further tighten those loose skin, prevent stretch marks, because some saggy skin will just end up with stretch marks. Vaseline is very important to lock in moisture, protect your skin against dryness and other, looseness. Make use of this remedy every day if you really want those loose skin to be tightened up. If you are always busy, you can use it at night, okay? Apply Vaseline morning and night every day, just like that. Do this and you will see a very good result. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I'll see you in my next video.